Hey everybody, welcome to my another Harry video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you messenger secret tips that will help you to chat. So before we begin, please subscribe to my channel and support me. So let's get started. So I am in here my mobile. You can see here I will go to first in my messenger, and then I will go to my here chat, and then you can see here, suppose I want to first chat, then I will go here and click here, and then I will go to secret conversation, and then if I type here secret conversation, you can see it has been sent. In this way you can share this secret conversation which will delete after some time. This is a new trick which you can apply, and if you want to delete that secret conversation now, then you can go to me and then go to secret conversation, and you can see here your device is connected with secret conversation, and then I will delete all secret conversation. I'll click here and it will ask, are you sure you want to delete all secret conversation from this device? This will permanently delete the conversation history. So I am going to delete this secret conversation. I'll click delete, and then you can see the secret conversation has been deleted. Now if you go and see, then you can see here there is no any conversation which you have conversation and chat just now. So in this way you can keep the secret message which you have chat and delete easily. So this is trick which you can apply in your life. So I hope this video helps. So this has been a Harry video tutorial. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching this video.
The way your body